Wow. We're going to the beach now, guys. Ito yung bridge nila. We've been here already before. It's nice. Look at that. You can hear the sound of the waves. Oh my goodness. My foot. Look at that. I don't wanna be barefoot because more painful on my foot if I will walk barefoot. So need to have a sandals or slippers or tongs. It's nice. Wow. See, it's low tide. That's why I'm going to the rocks in there so I can do my dancing in there. How to do the thing. I don't have to do it. I am there just checking if he can do the fishing. Oh. I think I'm gonna end this.